back to my channel. My name is Karan Shota. Today I'm going to play a role of Santa Claus. Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, little one. I am Santa Claus. I am a Christian character. I am also known as Saint Nicholas and the father of Christmas. I have traveled all the way from North Pole to see you. My reindeer are resting outside after a long flight. I hear you all have been very good boys and good with us this year. My aunt has been busy making toys just for you. Have you decorated your Christmas tree yet? Here is the secret. I will leave your present under your Christmas tree or in your stocking. Don't forget to hang them and go to bed early.